Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another Ezilyspeed video. Today we are meeting up with the entire squad today and also dropping a little bit of content for you guys. So these will be actually available for purchase, not Ezilyspeed unless you want that. But these will be coming up for purchase pretty soon. Hopefully by the next video you guys will be able to purchase these. So my man with the S4 is tuning with Carista. So we got the S4 and then we have the Mustang GT with the hood scoop, and he's got that little spoiler. I'm about to go deaf. I'm slowly going deaf. There's M3. There's his Instagram. So I got half of the car actually wrapped in the Christmas paper. I'm just gonna stand from this distance right now because it looks horrible up close, but really cool from kind of a distance. Well, it's not like using vinyl wrap. It's a completely different thing. It wrinkles, it rips. This stuff is horrible to be working with, but so far so good. I think it looked cooler with only that one side left empty, but what you got to do is basically tuck it around these corners, but we'll see. Alright, so I got it fully done. Oh man, that looks bad. That actually doesn't look that bad, but duct tape, and then that roll looks pretty nice, so that's what we're gonna work with. And then I'm gonna take some photos and get back in the heat. It is cold out here.